Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing safe. Thank you so much for your love and support as always. Today I'm going to talk about on data strategy. So what do we think the imperatives of creating a data strategy? Let's discuss this. Today, data is the foundation for everything, isn't it? From knowing customers better to drive any smarter products or services and whatever beyond this. But let's understand one thing, without a clearly defined data strategy, if you take any companies, large scale industries, they're finding themselves very difficult to survive. They don't know how to analyze and how do we leverage the data also. Do you agree with me? So let me share my inputs. What are the three imperatives if you really wanted to build up or putting a rock solid data strategy on top of your ecosystem or intelligent enterprise? Let's understand deep dive. The first imperative is all about standardization. How do we build for standardization? If you observe closely, every function in your organization is siloed, and sometimes the way they handle the data is also very different. So every enterprise, they don't know how do we manage and how can we know that why is this happening, right? It's all about it creates a lot of mess in your decision making, and you have to do a lot of reworks which is not necessary, and also wasting resources. But let me tell you, standardization is the key. You need to understand how do we democratize the data so that it ensures faster, smarter, better decision makings in you day in, day out of your enterprise. You need to have a good data governance. Yes, it's required. So every enterprise, they wanted to understand how do we democratize and still ensure compliance with the data security and privacy standards, right? So every company also, they need to have their own, the definition should be very consistent, and at the same time they need to be very well organized across the enterprise, right? So if you wanted to build a business glossary or a data meta map, right? So you need to have a complete end-to-end having a data from different catalogs across your ecosystem that require a lot of consistency and reusability aspects, right? So you need to have a business glossary defining the data which needs to be used across your enterprise. So for a company, you should avoid top-down mandate, right? Rather, what you can do is you provide a forum for every business individual, team members or a senior members or whoever is able to define their ideas, right? So they are the one who has to understand what is their needs, what can be done to meet those needs, understand the real purpose of why are we doing this. And number two, it's all about scalable. If you observe very carefully the way the data is being rapidly growing in terms of volume, variety and velocity, every company needs to have a data management solution in place. If you are marketing, you have many sources through which you are getting a data in terms of social media or location of different data sets, right? So if the organization really wants to check these data sets only once per day, I think you will miss a lot of critical signals or fleet opportunities or a lot of prospects you miss. If you really wanted to unlock the value of these kind of large data volumes, you need to understand how do you need to integrate your data, migrate this data into data lakes or data warehouses for easier retrieval, and how do we best define the insights on top of this data platform. So you need to understand how do we invest the right cloud infrastructure so that it will enable your company to extract the required data from multiple different discrete sources so that you transform, you define insights and bring that analytics ready information on top of that ecosystem. So understand how do we build the scalability with the help of the data. The third one, which is the last, it's all about how do we build for success. So the way you define the data strategy needs to be have a concrete goals which has to be aligned with your organization strategy. So you have a data and analytics which both can give you an organization kind of an answers what you wanted to really understand, right? So this is how it drives the growth for every company. Understand one thing, every good analytics has to begin with asking the right questions, because you already have so much of data in your hand. So from your technical teams, for business teams, or different support system teams, right? So they need to understand the importance of the data and how it will be used to drive different decisions. And maybe it may be true in a large enterprises, because you are seamlessly getting different decisions has to be taken instant in different ways to handle large scales of different decision making using this data, right? So data requirements first of all has to align with your business goals. What data sources will give the business use, where is this data is being required, and how often you want to collect and analyze, you wanted to make use of it, and who are the systems or what third party data you would like to leverage so that you can bring some value onto the table, right? So these are all kind of a data quality. You need to be very clear in terms of the data elements. And also sometimes you need to invest some time and effort to really understand what is your goals. I think that's how you understand, okay, what is the answer that we are really looking out for, and then you prioritize them. And it's all about the leadership of your business has to be led this, right? This initiative at the top level. At the same time, every business owner or a business team, they needs to take a full ownership of all the data or whatever the requirements, and understand how do we drive this towards across the organization, right? So you need to have a clear business goals, clear process, roles and responsibilities. Do you have a right tools and techniques? And then you apply the standardization, democratization and governance. Just to conclude my thoughts around this strategy. So understand and how do you invest the time and effort to build the right data strategy. That's going to pay a lot of dividends far into your future. Understand what is the guidelines which has been set by the organization strategy at a senior level. How do you ensure that you have a right people are in place so that they take care of what really matters most, and make it easy and efficient so that you get the critical work to be done without any further delays. Ensure all the data is available, ready to be used, and use it very responsible way. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for listening. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.